In this screencast I'm going to show you how to set up a type of slide that enables users to interact with an image. You're able to show the users various aspects of the image with some explanatory text. So what we do is click on Insert and then go to Interactivity and down to Hotspot image, and you can see from the description it's an interaction that allows us to mark up an image with regions and text. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is find an image that I'm going to use. So in the image section here you can see select an image. I've got various options. I'm going to click the left one, which is the import media button, and in this one I'm going to use a koala. So it's important when using images to use an image that's appropriate for the slide in question, and that goes along with the resolution, the quality of the image, because the larger the image, the longer it will take to load when you get there. Now what we're going to do is add areas onto this image called hotspots, and to do that I'm going to click onto the blue highlighted text here, New Hotspot, and you'll see on the left hand side here now we've got our main slide, which is this one, but then as a sub level down we've got kind of indented to the right a new bit you can select, and this is the information about our hotspot. So here we can give the hotspot a name, so I can say ears. I can put a bit of a descriptive text, so big fluffy ears. What I'm then able to do is select where this hotspot appears on the image. So if I click on Edit, my image loads up and you get this yellow box. What you want to do is move this to the area that you want to be associated with that information. To do this you click on the yellow box and you can move it around. To then change the size of it you can select the yellow square in the bottom right corner and drag it out to the size you want. So I'm going to drag it over the ear here. I'm going to set up some new hotspots. So I'm going to create one called Eyes and put in some explanatory text and then set the position. And a final hotspot to demonstrate. So clicking on New Hotspot, I'm going to call it Nose. Description can be big black nose, and I'm going to edit it and drag it over the koala's nose. Now if I publish that and then show you all what that looks like, we click play, go to the slide. Now the current image is displayed here on the right hand side. We could have also put some text in here, some instructions perhaps telling them what to do. Now the interaction we have set up here is an exploratory model. So as I move the cursor around you can see we have an arrow, but as I move over certain areas it will change to a hand. So the user is able to click on an image and they get a description about that part of the image. So when they click on ears they get the descriptive text appear here. They can click on the eye and get that text. They click on the nose and get that text. Another way we could display this is to go to the properties for that slide. So at the moment we have a show me interactivity and the highlight hotspots is unchecked. If we wanted these rectangles to appear on the image so it's obvious for the user where to select, we can click highlight hotspots. We can also change the colour. You can see we've got quite a range. So if we wanted to have green rectangles there, can even change whereabouts the text and the image appear. So I'm going to switch that over. Again, because I've made a change, I'm going to click publish, and we can see the changes that I've made there. Okay, so publish, and then click play. And you can see now that our rectangles have appeared over the image, they've changed colour, we have our explanatory text here, and when they click on the image they get more text explaining what's going on.